Yeah. China. China be like. Yep, China be like. Why does there have to be a hat? Why does there have to be a hat? This is the siren. Argentina be like. Okay, that's stupid. Just same as California. Same as California. Why is it loading? Night. California. Okay, that's too scary. So, what's it still loading? Why is it loading on the bear's foot? It has the butt. Okay, that was weird. I live here. Yeah, I live at Georgia. Is Georgia the worst state? Comment what's the worst state. Yeah, comment what the worst state is. Okay, that was weird. That was cringe. That was so cringe. Okay, that was so cringe. That's not Gatorade. Okay, I don't want Gatorade. Oh yeah, I drunk Gatorade. I forgot about that. That's a boo. Just kidding. Okay. This is Thunderbolt 1003. Ah! Why are you looking at my face? Please don't. Still loading. Half of the butt. Okay, that was so cringe. Oh, you want to see me on TV? Bermuda. Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle. Yeah, yes, it'll always be like. That's it, guys. That's it. Have a good day, guys. Yes, have a. This is my video. It's called EAS. Watch it right now.